Welcome back to Not So Grand Garage. Today we're going to be out in the shop taking a look at this little 1.9 V-dub turbo diesel. It's not a TDI. This is a Canadian / Japanese spec engine. They didn't have them in the US apparently. It's all mechanical 1.9 turbo diesel. But yeah, just got this shipped in. If you caught the short, you would I've seen it all wrapped up on the pallet, got it home, but we're gonna try and get it running. And I've already got a little transfer pump set up, a little quart of diesel fuel and ATF, just some 5/16 and 1/4 inch rubber line stuck on the hose barbs. So yeah, we're gonna take a look at it and see if we can get this thing to fire off. So the EGR tube got damaged in shipping. Not a big deal. We'll get creative with that. That's no problem. But yeah, as you can see, they pretty well just hacked the motor mounts off, cut the exhaust, and cut everything pretty well. Transmission shifter cables. But yeah, looks pretty complete. No complaints there. They cut the harnesses, which isn't a big deal. Some of the stuff got unplugged, so I won't be needing any of the factory harness. But cut the hoses off. But yeah, it did come with oil still in the crankcase, so that's cool. The oil didn't look super dirty, doesn't look like it's got any moisture in it or anything. The filter's still on it. It's got a little ding in it, but it'll work to get us running anyways. At least hear it run, make sure it's not going to knock or anything stupid. But yeah, overall, pretty happy with it. I think it'll go pretty nice in something we've got around here. Not sure what, but something. Anywho, let's see if we can get this thing to come to life.
Alright, black's on.
Black's on. Be ready to kill again.
Yep.
I'll hold on to it over here. So, as you saw, it runs pretty good. No complaints. It sounds good. Doesn't sound like it's got any bottom end issues. No noise, no valve train noise, no knocks or anything weird. Did notice that we had to remove this, as you saw, because it got tweaked in shipping, it looks like, and it was pushing down on the throttle shaft, and we've got a fuel leak down here at the base of the throttle shaft. which is pretty common, so it's not super concerning. So it looks like it's going to need a throttle bushing and seal. Not a huge deal. I was planning on, I'm going to go on and put a timing set in it. I'm going to pull the intake and exhaust off of it, clean everything up. We're going to delete everything that we don't need, which is going to be quite a bit. And yeah, we'll get all that wrapped up, get this thing wrapped up and put over in the corner until our parts get here. Because I got quite a few things to order, and I'm not sure how long it's going to take to get everything in. But yeah, once it all shows up, it should be a pretty quick little swap. We'll see. But anyways, that's all I got for you now. If you would like to support the channel, there's a PayPal account set up. Links to that's in the description of the video. If you would, hit that thumbs up button. Helps us out and doesn't cost you anything. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. We appreciate you watching.